To create a GL Science Practice Assessment, start by answering two short questions. Your curriculum and year group will automatically be filled in based on your account settings. Next, enter how many questions you'd like your students to answer. If you'd like to create a practice assessment covering all topics, leave the lesson objective box blank. However, if you want to focus on specific topics, you can enter them in this box. Once you're ready, click Generate. Your questions will begin to appear instantly, ready for you to review. Take a moment to check all questions, including the multiple choice options, before exporting. An answer key will also be provided to make correcting quick and easy. If you'd like to make changes, use the Regenerate bar. Simply describe your adjustments and click Regenerate. When you're satisfied with your assessment, export it in your preferred document format. And don't forget to explore our other GL assessment tools designed to support your students in achieving the best results possible.